My name is Michael Lancto. I'm an online entrepreneur, and what I do is I coach other people how to be successful online. For training people. A lot of people, they get involved in network marketing, but they don't know what to do. And so because they don't know what to do, they do things that are not effective. I've been very effective. I've earned multiple 7 figures in the past. So I do a training every once in a while. Sometimes I do a video and I send that out. Sometimes I do a webinar and invite people in. And they're seeming to like the webinars better than just the videos. I was using Zoom. It would cost too much money for me to do now that I'm starting over. Just the webinar module alone is $79 a month, and it's 500 seats or nothing. So, they need a smaller level like you have. The price point is good, but as far as the service itself, it's working fine. So I don't know that one over the other. I want to be able to teach like I'm teaching right now. I like having choose my own background so that there's not a messy office behind me. I like the recording. I like the chat or the Q&A so that I can get some feedback from people. And those are probably the most important features that I look for.